अरे भाई, मेडिकल साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी तो जो है लॉ से ऊपर है मध्य प्रदेश की है। आपके कार्यकलापों का तो कोई कोई अंत ही नहीं है। सारा मेस तो आप ही ने किया हुआ है और अपनी हरकत से आप बाज भी नहीं आ रहे हैं। नहीं, इनकी छोड़ो, हमें तो देखा है ना, जो हमने एक स्टे किया है रिजल्ट्स को, उसमें भी आप भागीदार हैं। ये मेडिकल साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी खोली क्यों गई है, इसमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा। क्या मेडिकल कॉलेज ही नहीं चल रहे थे क्या, कि उनको बदनाम करने के लिए आपने सेंट्रलाइज कर दिया? अच्छे खासे मेडिकल कॉलेज मध्य प्रदेश चल रहे थे, अच्छा नाम था उनका। ये आपने मेडिकल साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी खोल करके सब मिस कर दिया। और जिन लोगों को आपने वहां पे पोस्ट किया है वो वाकई दे डिस्क्वालीफाई देमसेल्व्स टू बी इवन अ डॉक्टर, व्हाट टू टॉक ऑफ बीइंग डायरेक्टर। जो दिया तले अंधेरे वाले कहानी है आप लोग के साथ। आपको किस उम्मीद से, क्या आईएएस ऑफिसर है कि वो मेडिकल डॉक्टर है जो डीएमई बना है? कौन है वो इज ए डॉक्टर, मेडिकल डॉक्टर? ये क्या है? ये कौन है? ये क्या है? हाँ हाँ हाँ, यस यस यस। तो आप खोलो ना, खोलो खोलो, इट्स ओपन कोर्ट अफेयर। दो कॉपियों में है। तो बिफोर वी गो टू रिपोर्ट, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड हाउ मेनी colleges have been inspected?
140.
140?
100.
अच्छा, 140 कॉलेजेस आपने इंस्पेक्शन कर लिए। अभी कितने कॉलेजेस बचे हैं?
55 colleges are protected by the stay order of the Honorable Supreme Court. 169 and 169 are remaining.
एक तो वो ऐसा है कि वो अगर सब लोग बोलेंगे तो फिर कुछ बात समझ में नहीं आएगी। आपको चांस मिलेगा जब सीबीआई का ऑफिसर खड़ा है, सीबीआई के वकील खड़े हैं और उनका कुछ काम करके आए हैं, तो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड क्या कहना चाह रहे हैं वो। हाँ
Sir, 150 colleges are remaining.
एक मिनट, एक कागज है ना, ये जो है क्या? हाँ, वन अभी आपने किया 140? 140?
Yes, yes, sir.
अच्छा, और 169 बचे हैं। ओके।
And 55 colleges are protected by the stay order of Honorable.
55 protected by Honorable Supreme Court order. One 140 completed, 169 pending, and 55 are protected by Supreme Court order. ठीक है? अच्छा, how many total colleges are required to be inspected?
364.
364. So as against 364, you have done 140 and 169 is pending. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, how much time will you take to complete this 169?
We have 4 months time, sir.
Sorry?
4 months time we have got.
4 months time. All right. Now, in these 140 colleges, have you prepared a summary?
Yes, sir. Last page. Suitability percentage. Number of colleges, like the number of colleges found suitable percentage.
Other you have given percentage wise.
Yes,
No, but you have given numbers also.
yes, sir. Government nursing colleges,
Now, three categories: government nursing colleges, nursing college established and running for last 10 or more years, nursing colleges established and running for last 5 or more years, and nursing colleges established and running for less than 5 years. Right? Now, there are 8 nursing colleges, government nursing colleges, run by the government. Right? You have found 4 colleges suitable, so only 50% suitability of the government nursing colleges, right? Then you have said nursing colleges established and running for last 10 years or more. 40 colleges you have inspected, 27 have been found suitable, so percentage of suitability is of 67.5%. Then nursing colleges established and running for last 5 years or more, 30 you have inspected, 17 found suitable, that is 56.66%. And the last is nursing college established and running for less than 5 years. 62 you have inspected, only 27 found suitable. The suitability percentage is 43.54. Now, these deficiencies which you have found in these colleges are of what nature?
So if the deficiencies are minor, then we have declared that college suitable with minor deficiencies.
Very good. Because we are, see, basically, let me tell you one thing. We are not here to go for hair splitting. We are primarily here to ascertain whether colleges have sufficient infrastructure, staff, faculties as required, and of course area of land and logistics, so that the quality of education for nursing courses is not compromised in any manner whatsoever. That is our purpose. But it's only those persons who qualify themselves to appear in the examination should be allowed to take the examination. That is the real purpose, to ensure that all these colleges which are found to be as per the norms established and running bona fidely, we should not have any exception. We do not have any exception. We don't take any exception in any manner. And with your certification, we may proceed further also. So our purpose is not to go in for, the minor aberrations. Should not disqualify them. We should not disqualify them. So, the colleges which are not found suitable, according to you, are lacking in material particulars in the context of infrastructure and other supporting staff and faculty, etc. Right? So, this is one. We can say this, that these colleges are not fit to be recognized as colleges.
So if those are deficient, they can remove their deficiencies and may come into the category of suitable.
Right.
But sir, there are some colleges which are running in 4,000 square feet area, 5,000 square. So we have declared them unsuitable.
Obviously, because I believe the requirement as per norms is about 18,000 square feet, and if some colleges are being allegedly run, I should say, they must be the education shops, only counters to get the payment and issue receipts. 4,000, 3,000, 2,000. This is nothing but a fraud. These colleges are fraud. I'm not hesitant to call them fraud, because in the eyes of strict rules and requirements, if they try to manipulate recognition and on papers induct students for examinations, then such institution must be dealt with sternly, and we will not spare them. So you require 4 months time for them. Acha. Yes, Mr. Khirkar, what do you say? You are appearing for whom? Huh? MP Nursing? Hmm. Yes. 20? No. Actually, that could be the reason. Maybe you started conducting examination for the session 1920 in the year 22-23 and providing them retrospective recognition. So that is an incidental fact. Whatever it is. See, we have taken cognizance of the matter for two reasons. One, whether there could have been retrospective recognition or not. Two, whether such colleges conform to the requirements of rules or not. These are two major issues. And for the later verification, we requested the Cbiaid to take up the matter. Right? So whether it is of 1920 or 2021 or for that matter 2022-23, it doesn't make any much of a difference. What is the status of the colleges as on date is a relevant thing. If you did not have infrastructure, if you did not have sufficient staff, if you did not have faculties, because one thing more you should also examine the staff, whether the teachers or demonstrators or instructors are qualified persons or not.
We are examining. We are verifying the faculties are on the spot with their original certificate, their experience.
Because there is also we have received a lot of complaints.
Yes. So, sir, if they do not fulfill the criteria, then
yes,
we don't count them, sir.
Where is your detailed report? Acha. The comment part. We will decide the matter in accordance with the report as well as comments from the council. What do you want to say now? आप मुझे ये बताइए, और आपके कितने बताया आपने?
सर 364 में से ये रिलीवल जो किया है इन्होंने।
आप मुझे पहले ये बता दीजिए कि आपने कितने कॉलेजेस को मान्यता दी?
ये 271 को दी है हमने मान्यता।
271
को।
अभी 271 364 के पार्ट है।
364
ठीक है। अब 364 में से इन्होंने 140 कॉलेजेस का इंस्पेक्शन कर दिया। वो 140 में आप कितने हैं?
वही मैं इनसे ये रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा था कि मेरे को लिस्ट प्रोवाइड कर दें तो मैं आई विल प्लेस बिफोर द कोर्ट कि इनमें से ये लोग 90% या 40% 80% व्हाटएवर इट मे बी ये ठीक है इन्हीं की रिपोर्ट के आधार पर वी कैन से बिफोर दिस क्योंकि दे हैव नॉट प्रोवाइडेड द लिस्ट टू मी।
वी विल प्रोवाइड यू। व्हाई शुड यू वरी?
मुझे सर लिस्ट चाहिए थी कि कितने का इंस्पेक्शन किया तो आई कैन वेरी वेल चेक इट कि 2022-23 में हमने जिनको मान्यता दी है आपको
that जरा बी केयरफुल बिकॉज जिसको आपने मान्यता दी है अगर वो कॉलेजेस सीबीआई के मुताबिक
बिल्कुल सर उसके खिलाफ भी हम कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं
हाँ क्योंकि इट बिकम्स अ बिगर स्कैम
इसमें क्या हुआ है सर हमारी एजेंसी में हमें 10 या 12 इंस्पेक्टर्स मिलते हैं जो इंस्पेक्शन करते हैं बाकायदा नॉर्म्स होते हैं जिसमें एक रेवेन्यू ऑफिसर होता है इंस्पेक्शन के टाइम पे लोकल का तो वो इंस्पेक्शन की जो नॉर्म्स है अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव क्रिएटेड टीम्स टीम वहाँ जाती है अगर टीम ने गड़बड़ की है तो उसकी रिपोर्ट के आधार पर हमारे पास भी सूटेबिलिटी या अनसूटेबिलिटी आएगी तो उसके ऊपर हमें चेक करना पड़ेगा वी हैव टू चेक दैट
व्हाई नॉट you should check
yes ma'am
and you should also ensure
yes ma'am
that the so-called committees so constituted if they have done some manipulations
then we will issue the
some ipsy-dipsy
yes ma'am we will take action
some fraud then
we will take action
you need to give us the names
yes ma'am
of those persons
yes ma'am
we will see that those persons if really found to have done something
yes,
with the element of mensria
yes ma'am
then they would not be spared and no wonder we may order their prosecution
yes ma'am यही हमारा कहना है कि इसलिए वो लिस्ट प्रोवाइड करते हैं तो वी विल फर्दर प्रोसीड विद एंड प्लेस द एंटायर फैक्ट बिफोर द कोर्ट इनमें से कितना किया या तो ये लिस्ट की कॉपी प्रोवाइड करा दें
only list will provide
लिस्ट प्रोवाइड करा दें उतना ही चाहिए
only list will provide you report we have this
yes,
report will go back in seal cover again
yes ma'am
and then if you have any objection related to that as regards the inspection what inspection then now if you get a list
yes ma'am
then you also come back with the inspection reports
yes ma'am I will place the entire inspection report before the court और फिर उसके बाद अगर ये पाया जाता है कि सीबीआई ने इसको डिफिशिएंस माना है तब ऐसे स्थिति में we will immediately take action against the person
so you first you find out
yes ma'am
as to how many colleges out of 271
yes
have been inspected by CBI
yes ma'am
and then prepare a list
yes ma'am
give us the complete details and I expect you to act fairly
yes ma'am I will place the entire fact
because now you do not think of council now you think of the public at large
yes
it is more or less a matter where public at large interest is involved
I will
we each and every citizen or resident of Madhya Pradesh concern is well evident because if they go for treatments in medical colleges in private medical hospitals or government hospitals if they are subjected to treatment by persons who do not understand the meaning of nursing then what would be the situation and this we will only come to know when there would be a catastrophic situation that is if there are mass scale casualties due to negligence and lapses by the nursing staff which is out of ignorance and this would create a havoc in the state
yes
so we are careful concerned and very serious that only eligible persons should be allowed to appear in the examination and all these education shops in the name of nursing colleges which are said to be open in 2,000 square foot, 3,000 square foot or 4,000 square foot should be closed. Immediately put a seal and all those persons should be blacklisted. Let their name be flashed in newspapers or any other media that these persons are the persons who have brought disrepute to the state, to the council and have done disservice to society.
yes
Don't spare them.
we will take action
And this matter is pending, will be kept pending
yes
unless we reach to a logical conclusion. Well, we have to separate chef from the brains. And we'll say all bona fide all colleges which are genuinely being run should also not be made to suffer.
yes
A student should be allowed to take the examination and appear.
Yes, they may proceed their study.
Appear, appear examinations. If they qualify, they should go further. We also have this in our mind that they should also, we should take care of them also. This is the position of state government.
उसमें क्या कमियां हैं that would be comes to us, so we will on behalf of state we will improve that particular.
अब वो इम्प्रूव क्या करेंगे वो तो अपनी जगह पे ठीक है, लेकिन पहले आप ये तो पता कर लो कि आपके कितने कॉलेज का इंस्पेक्शन हुआ है और आप रिकॉर्ड लेके आओ. क्यों मिस्टर राजू शर्मा, यू प्रोवाइड देम द लिस्ट ऑफ कॉलेजेस जो 270, पहले आप इनको दीजिए लिस्ट जिनको आपने दिया है. और आप इसमें बेहतर ये होगा, कुछ नहीं करना, आप इस 274 की लिस्ट में टिक मार्क कर दीजिए कि हमने इतने कॉलेजेस का हमने जो है इंस्पेक्शन कर लिया. आप क्या करेंगे? अरे भाई, मेडिकल साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी तो जो है लॉ से ऊपर है मध्य प्रदेश की है. आपके कार्यकलापों का तो कोई अंत ही नहीं है. सारा मेस तो आप ही ने किया हुआ है और अपनी हरकत से आप बाज भी नहीं आ रहे हैं. नहीं, इनकी छोड़ो, हमें तो देखा है ना, जो हमने एक स्टे किया है रिजल्ट्स को, उसमें भी आप भागीदार हैं. ये मेडिकल साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी खोली क्यों गई है, इसमें समझ में नहीं आ रहा. क्या मेडिकल कॉलेज ही भी चल रहे थे क्या कि उनको बदनाम करने के लिए आपने सेंट्रलाइज कर दिया? अच्छे खासे मेडिकल कॉलेज मध्य प्रदेश में चल रहे थे, अच्छा नाम था उनका. ये आपने मेडिकल साइंस यूनिवर्सिटी खोल करके सब मेस कर दिया. और जिन लोगों को आपने वहां पे पोस्ट किया है वो वाकई दे डिस्क्वालीफाई देमसेल्व्स टू बी इवन अ डॉक्टर, व्हाट टू टॉक ऑफ बीइंग डायरेक्टर. जो दिया तले अंधेरे वाले कहानी है आप लोग के साथ. आपको किस उम्मीद से, क्या आईएएस ऑफिसर है कि वो मेडिकल डॉक्टर है जो डीएमई बना है? कौन है वो इज ए डॉक्टर, मेडिकल डॉक्टर और इज एन आईएएस ऑफिसर?
डॉक्टर अशोक खंडेलवाल, वाइस चांसलर.
आप लोग डीएमई यूनिवर्सिटी की डायरेक्टर मेडिकल एजुकेशन. तो is he of the same frequency? No wonder he put up another black brush and paint everything with black brush. कर रहे हो despite matters pending before the court. I mean, you behave like a daredevil, unmindful of the orders and pendency. You have started taking examination without there being extensions by the Indian Nursing Council. Despite 2 extensions, at their instance, at your instance,
Our instance is extension of that.
and still you have not done it.
No, but examination was required to be conducted by
Within that time,
within time.
then
Yes.
it means you are most indisciplined in the matter of law and law enforcement. जो आदमी लॉ के प्रति और लीगल डिसिप्लिन के प्रति इनडिसिप्लिन हो, ऐसे आदमी को पब्लिक सर्विस होने का क्या हक है? इट्स अ पब्लिक एम्प्लॉयमेंट. यहाँ पे कन्वीनियंस तो नहीं चलती ना. यू हैव टू गो बाय रूल ऑफ लॉ. Anyway, now we'll give a short date. You do it, bring the record,
And I will place the record, entire record, inspector's record.
And on that day, that may be a longer day of hearing, because we may have to see your report and compare it with the report of this.
Yes.
Mr. Modi, what do you suggest after we do this exercise? Just a suggestion as an additional Advocate General. Uh, how should we go about it now? Suggestion, because I'll ask everybody. If you are prepared, it's okay. If not prepared, get back on the next date. All right. Mr. Jayaprakash, Jitanji, you also be ready with what should be the next step. I just want suggestions. Ultimately, we will take a decision. Because we cannot keep on adjourning the case for some hearing, for some purpose or some other purpose. We have to move forward to ensure that such students who have completed the courses bona fidely, their cases should be examined on case-to-case basis, or maybe whatever sessions come on institution basis, and should be allowed to conduct the examination so that they may appear and pursue their further course. Right?
Yes.
So Shankar Sharma, you also make a note and let us know who is a stakeholder. Who else is a stakeholder?
Who is the stakeholder who has also submitted?
INC, what do you say? Alright, now today we are just postponing it so that judge at the instance of Mr. Kirkar to give him the time as regards verification. And you all be ready with suggestions. It should be all conforming to the concept of rule of law. Huh?
Yes.
It should not be destructive or negative.
No, no.
We all are here to ensure justice in furtherance to the concept of rule of law. Right? Okay. Yes. Yes. Mr. Modi, you please ensure that they are provided with adequate staff, ensuring security and facility to expedite the inspection. Okay, you please, can you give me in writing? You do one thing. I'm just postponing for a couple of days. We can call it on next Tuesday. Right? You give me, Mr. Modi would be gracious enough to ensure that you are provided with the facility. Because it's a public work. No issues. Whatever you want, please give it in writing so that he may seek instructions and ensure that is provided. Right? Okay.
But I have filed an application for amendment.
What amendment do you want?
Bringing certain facts, subsequent facts and documents on it.
Related to?
They are related to the grant of affiliation, further grant of affiliation retrospective effect to the nursing, and same scam is going on in the paramedical courses. एक ही कॉलेज के अंदर नर्सिंग कॉलेज भी चल रहा है, बीएड कॉलेज भी चल रहा है और पैरामेडिकल भी चल रहा है.
Why you want me to widen the scope of this WP?
नहीं सर, ये शुरू से ही है इसमें, नर्सिंग और पैरामेडिकल दोनों में शुरू से ही है एलिगेशन.
No, but we are right now concerned only matter related to nursing. Now, if you want to bring in other facts which may give rise to different inquiry, that may lead to some complications.
फ्लैश फाइल करते थे जैसा तो पैरामेडिकल में भी सर सेम.
Why should I say what do you do?
पैरामेडिकल
I am not here on advisory jurisdiction. This is for you to take a call,
सर,
not for us.
सेम सिचुएशन है सर, उसी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर में उसी में नर्सिंग चल रहा है, उसी में पैरामेडिकल चल रहा है, उसी में बीएड चल रहा है.
I do not want to use
दूसरा कॉलेज लगभग ऐसे ऐसे जगह.
मैं उन शब्दों का इस्तेमाल नहीं करना चाहता जिसको हम लोग और जनरली कहते हैं ना कि डोंट मेस अप. ये मसला केवल नर्सिंग काउंसिल से, नर्सिंग स्टूडेंट से संबंधित है और डीएमई एंड मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी से. इसमें आप इसको वाइड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन सप्लाई अ कॉपी, they will find their response, but prima facie, we are of the view that we should not enlarge the scope.
तो सर नॉलेज में ला रहे हैं कि मतलब इंटरम ऑर्डर होने के बाद यहाँ से उसके बाद भी यूनिवर्सिटी लगातार प्रोस्पेक्टिव एप्लीकेशन दे पैरामेडिकल और नर्सिंग कॉलेज
Let them file reply.
जी सर
Huh?
But if we keep it pending, it will be too much on the plate for now. We have done so much work on this that
We
will not be able to
we will take up this also. He's right. I'll take it on record.
जी सर
And first let them do this exercise. Let's finish with that and we'll take up this also. Okay. So and so for the petitioner, so and so for the state, so and so for the council, so and so for the Indian Nursing Council, so and so for the CBI with Shri Deepak Purohit, Deputy SP, CBI, right? Supervisor, right? Shri Avasthi, at the outset, Shri Avasthi has, I'm sorry, at the outset, Shri Purohit has produced a sealed envelope containing 2 sets of inspection report conducted by him and his team. The envelope was opened. Envelope was unfolded in open court. Reports have been perused. As per the report, so far 140 colleges, nursing colleges of 4 categories, ये 4 categories, common nursing colleges established and running for last 10 years or more, nursing college established and running for last 5 years or more, and nursing college established and running for last 5 years or more. One mentioned below have been inspected. Also chart branch. The report still 169 colleges are to be inspected. Shri Purohit prays for 4 months' time to complete the inspection of remaining colleges, nursing colleges. The report demonstrates that out of 8 government colleges, only 4 colleges have been found suitable. Therefore, suitability percentage is 50%. Nursing colleges established for last 10 years or more out of 27 colleges have been found suitable. That is 67.5%. Out of 30 nursing colleges established and running for last 5 years or more, only 17 colleges have been found suitable. And the percentage is 56.66%. And lastly, out of 62 nursing colleges established and running for last 5 years, less than 5 years. Out of 62, or 62, only 27 colleges have been found suitable. And percentage 43.54%. Shri Purohit states that unsuitability has been assessed